Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to change your username on TikTok. First, open the TikTok app on your device. From the bottom navigation bar, tap on the profile icon. Now, tap on the Edit Profile button. You will see your name and username. To change the username, tap on the username. Now, clear your old username. After that, enter the new username you want to change. Make sure you enter the valid username, otherwise, you won't be able to save the change. Once you enter a valid username, tap on the Save button from the top right corner. And your username will be changed. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and you're able to change your username on TikTok. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.